In this video, I will show you how to use MusicLM by Google to compose AI-generated music. Before we begin, make sure you hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to get daily tech videos. MusicLM is an experimental technology that allows you to generate your own synthetic music for inspiration. Basically, it can generate audio music based on the input you specify using a text prompt. It is invite-only and you can request access on Google AI Kitchen website. The link is in the description. So, sign in using your Google account, and if you have the access, you will see its interface, which looks like this. Here, just enter a text prompt and a 19-second music clip will be generated for you. Let's try one of the built-in prompts. Wait a few seconds and a music clip will appear. Play it. It actually generates two variants of the music. Play the second one too. By default, it will not save the generated music in your account. But you can click on the trophy icon to save it for the session. From the same section, you can also download the music you have generated. Now, let's try generating music with a custom prompt. So, just enter what you want your music to sound like here. Start the generation process, and when it finishes, then play it out. This is it. This is all it takes to generate audio using text. Just define what you want to do and MusicLM will take care of the rest. Feel free to explore other tech videos on our channel and don't forget to leave your comments and questions on them.